and Star Wars Weekend's events that can't be experienced anywhere else in the galaxy. And
may the Force be with you.
Wow.